Welcome to Winter Garden. This area is a hidden gem that a lot of people don't know about, where you have country living, lots of land, and it's a beautiful area to call home. We're here today with Guerrette from Lionshead Homes, who we've partnered with to build a beautiful custom home for one of our clients.
At Lionshead Homes, we pride ourselves on being one of the fastest home building companies in Central Florida. This is a fantastic home, single story, 4,500 square feet. Let's go check it out.
Now we're in the house. It's 4,700 square feet under air, 4 beds, 4.5 baths, also has an office and a game room, which our client decided to turn into a speakeasy.
Right now, I would say this house is in kind of its teenage years, Suzanne. But as the home ages a little bit, we're gonna quickly snap into something beautiful like this. So we're out of our teenage years and into our adult years here. It looks much better, doesn't it? We really kind of pride ourselves in creating dynamic spaces. We built this house in the same neighborhood as the last house we were looking at just this past year, and this is what it looks like all completed. So you can see the beautiful ceiling details, mix of colors. So with this particular home site being a 5-acre lot with this great lake backdrop behind us, we created these 10-foot sliding glass door wall with an infinity edge pool that really brings that lake into the home. So if you're interested in finding out some more information, by all means, please message us. We can build on your home site, or you can certainly select from one of ours.